Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre. After yesterday's severe weather on the Highveld, we're not expecting any rain today, but torrential rain is taking place over the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and that's on top of high rainfall amounts that were reported over the past 24 hours already. Let's take a closer look at some of the observations. Good rains occurred on the Highveld yesterday with 21 millimeters observed in Ermelo, but extreme amounts took place along the Wild Coast in the Eastern Cape and over southern KwaZulu-Natal as well. More than 140 millimeters were reported in Paddock and in Coffee Bay as well. Now that's all caused by the same cut-off low pressure system that's currently churning over the Free State. It's causing dry conditions over Gauteng today after the band of thunderstorms moved off, but it's still focusing a lot of moisture influx over the southeastern parts of the country, and that's where the heavy rainfall is taking place at the moment. While a high pressure system is ridging in along the east coast, a low pressure system is deepening to the east of KZN. That's focusing all that influx of moisture onto the southern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, where we're experiencing torrential rain at the moment. The good news is that as the low moves away from the shore, we're expecting the rain to clear quite rapidly during the late afternoon, with clear weather for the eastern parts by midnight tonight. So we have a very good chance of showers and thunder showers over the southern and central parts of KZN, but that's going to clear towards this evening. Isolated showers still possible over the southern Lowveld and over the central Free State, while snowfalls remain lightly on the high-lying areas of the Drakensberg and in Lesotho. The South African Weather Service has a watch for heavy rain over the east coast and adjacent interior, and the rainfall accumulation until midnight shows that more than 100 millimeters is possible again over the south coast and the adjacent interior. Now, today's wind forecast shows very strong winds along the KZN coast, speeds between 50 and 60 kilometers per hour for Durban and Richards Bay, fresh southeasterlies over the western interior, Cape Town with a moderate southwesterly breeze, and onshore winds along the eastern Cape coastline. It's a cold afternoon for the southeastern interior, highs of 15 degrees in Graafrenet and Bishu, 13 in Pietermaritzburg, but it's still warm over the northern parts of South Africa. By Wednesday, we're not expecting any more precipitation, dry conditions with temperature recovery taking place, and by Thursday, another high pressure system starts ridging in from the south, bringing light rain to the south and southeast coast. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.